Welcome, keyboarding students. This is Mr. G here, and in this particular video walkthrough, I'm not going to start at the very beginning. You guys have been working with the EduType lessons, and so you know how to get into a Google Doc and to get started. I'm picking up with the completion of typing figure 6 from today's lesson. Okay, so we're going to start with number 7, which is going to take us into centering our titles. So let's do that. I'm going to center that first title, and on number 7 it tells us to change it to Arial 16 size and bold. So I'm making those changes there at the top in the toolbar. Okay. Number 8, there you go, top 5 cities, change it to Comic Sans 18 point and bold. So, Comic Sans, that one, and bold. I need to make it centered. There we go. All right, we're going to center all of those. This one is the top 6 places to vacation. And actually, I believe it's the top 5 places. Top 5 places to vacation, right? Okay, top 5 places to vacation. We're going to change it to Georgia is the font. Size 14. And bold. All right. The very last one, I'm on step number 10, which is your very last title. Top 5 ski resorts, we're going to center, and top 5 ski resorts, Verdana, 20 point and bold. Okay, they are alphabetical, so if we scroll to the bottom, there's our font, Verdana, and they've made this one a larger size, 20 and bold. All right, very good. Now we're going to highlight our first list. And it tells us there on number 11, after we highlight it, we're going to use the standard bullet. So I can just go up to the top, find it in the toolbar. There's my alignment. We've used those. We've used the spacing, the line spacing. Now I keep going to the right. There it is, bulleted list. And yes, if you hover over one of the tool icons, it will give you a title. So I can just click the icon, and there's the standard button. All right, I'm going to highlight the next list, and it tells us the top 5 cities we want to format as a bulleted list using open box. Well, that same icon in the toolbar, right next to it is a little triangle, down arrow. I'm going to click on that. It opens up a dialog box for us, or a drop-down menu rather. Okay, we can find the one with the boxes. That's simple. There you go. I'm going to highlight the next set of lists, which are the top 5 places to vacation, and we want to just list those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right next to our bulleted list, there's numbered. I can just click on that icon, and it numbers them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Much like the bulleted list, we also can customize, which we're going to do for the very last resource. And we're going to go to that triangle that's next to the numbered list, which brings us up more options. And in this drop-down menu, you can pick which layout you like. And they've asked us to use the capital letters. Okay. All right. We're about done. Let's see. 15 says to add one. And this is kind of cool. So between Barcelona and Paris, all I have to do is put my cursor at the end of Barcelona, hit enter, and we can type in what they want us to, Maui. But it automatically renumerated the list. Pretty cool, right? So once you use this feature, if you want to move these around, it keeps them organized for you in the order. Okay? We do have to change top 5 places to the top 6 places now. I will point out to you, notice that the titles are what they call initial cap. So all the words the initial letter of every word is capitalized. It's called initial cap. So we capitalize the initial letter of every word. And you do that in a title, tables also. So I wanted to point that out for you. Okay, I've got that saved here. I want to make sure that I'm going to go File and Move. There are different ways that you can create that document. Mine is, and I'm just verifying here, it is in the keyboarding folder, so I don't need to move it. I'm going to click on the little X, close that box. I'll go to Share. Change the link. So now anybody at Lake Hamilton can view it. I'm going to copy that link. I'll go over and paste that in Seesaw. All right. If you have any questions, please email me. We'll get them answered for you right away. Bye now.